Hi everyone. Today we are learning about the word is. Is a helping verb that we use with he, she, it, or singular nouns to talk about someone or something in the present tense. It helps us explain who they are, what they are doing, or how they feel. For example, he is a doctor. This tells who he is. She is happy. This shows how she feels. It is cold outside. This explains the condition of the weather. Remember, we always use is with he, she, it, or singular nouns in the present tense. Listen, read, and speak the following example sentences to practice. He is a boy. She is a girl. And he is a doctor. She is a teacher. It is a dog. She is beautiful. He is ready to go. She is hungry. He is busy right now. He is tall. It is small. She is happy. He is angry. It is fast. It is cold outside. Shop is open. The shop is closed. She is friendly. He is quiet. She is smart. It is interesting. It is soft. It is hard. It is expensive. It is cheap. Now practice making your own sentences using is. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others learn. Stay tuned for more lessons and keep practicing. See you next.